Did you know that Mahonias can do this? Hi, I'm Sam, woodland horticulturist here at Harlow Car, and we're out here on a frosty morning on the winter walk just to look at a rather unassuming plant, the Mahonia winter sun, which is a great hardy evergreen shrub. And as you can see, it's winter flowering. These have just started to come out in the last few weeks, and these flowers will persist through the winter and into the springtime. And then following that, we'll get the formation of bright purple berries, which are also very ornamental. So there's various different species of Mahonia, some of which are true evergreens like this, and others which will colour up during the winter months, forming various kind of orange and red tinges to them as well. Mahonias are part of the Berberidaceae family, and both Mahonias and Berberis have a unique feature just to maximise their chances of pollinating themselves at this time of year when there are very few insects around. So let's just have a closer look at these. So within these flowers we have the stigma in the middle surrounded by the stamens. Now each of these stamens are touch sensitive, and so they will pick up the movement of any insects which happen to visit these flowers, and when they do, they'll invoke a response which will cause the stamen to close in on the insect, brushing the pollen onto the body of the insect. This has a twofold effect. One, it encourages the insect to move on to another flower, increasing the chances of pollination, and it also means that each insect spends less time on the flower, therefore saving the valuable resource of the nectar which it is creating to attract those insects. So that's a little bit of information about Mahonias, a really great plant for this time of year.